For today's video, I'm going to be turning this block of black locust. I really don't know what I want to do with it. I'm pretty sure it'll come to me as I cut into the wood. But regardless of what comes out of it, I hope you folks enjoy the video. To me, it seems that the more that this black locust dries, the harder the wood becomes. This stuff was like petrified. It took me quite a while to turn the inside of this small vase. But yeah, I got it done. For sanding the inside, I started off with 80 grit, ended off with 320. And that wasn't too bad. Well, at the end, and I'm really happy with the outcome. The grain of the wood, it's pretty awesome. Finish came out really nice. The only gripe I had is that the wood was really hard. But other than that, pretty happy with the outcome. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.